Still a newcomer in India, but no longer an unknown name. VinFast, the Vietnamese EV maker from the Vingroup, which is a giant in Vietnam, they are trying to expand into newer markets. They've already committed billions of dollars in India, and this is their opportunity to expand more into newer markets, newer segments. To learn more about their future strategies, the group level integration, and how they are looking to build a business into deeper markets in India, we have with us Pham Sanh Chau, who's the CEO at VinFast Asia. Hello, sir. Thank you so much for talking to us. Vingroup it's been an instrumental year for Vingroup in India. We want to talk more about your future strategies and how you plan to navigate the rest of the year, because you have a long-term plan for India. Let's get right into it. You're planning to get more arms of the business like two-wheelers, CVs, and also expand your fleet business. If you could tell about your overall strategy at a group level and how it's going to blend into the Indian market.
At the group level, we really want to build the two ecosystem. The first ecosystem we almost complete.
Right.
And what is the first ecosystem? The first ecosystem is what we call green ecosystem.
Yeah.
Which composed of the basically 5 components. The first one is the factory.
Yeah.
We have completed within a span time of 17 months.
Yeah.
The second component, we have completed a network of 35 dealerships. We are going to expand to 75 dealerships next year. The third pillar is the network of repair. We are having now around 120 repair or workshop. And then we are going to expand also next year.
Yeah.
And the fourth one is we are going to invest in the charging point under Vingroup. And we hope that they will go aggressively next year.
Yeah.
They started well this year. And finally, in that ecosystem of green mobility, we have Pham Sanh Chau.
Yeah.
We hope that we will launch very soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is the first one ecosystem, what we call green mobility ecosystem. The second ecosystem belongs to the parent company, Vingroup. And Vingroup, we have Vingroup, which is the one of the 20 most valuable property developer in the world.
Right.
And we hope that we will be able
to get that as
to
well.
Yes, we have signed already MOU with the government of Telangana. Now we need to give them a push to move to execution because that is very important for us.
Right.
We don't sign the MOU for the sake of signing. We sign in order to execute the MOU.
Yeah.
And next in our component in our Vingroup is that we, in order to build a smart city, we need to have any green energy. So Vinenergo, which is the energy arm of the group,
that's also coming in.
Yes, they will coming in. We hope that we have around 500 hectares to build either solar or wind power plant of 500 megawatt to be able to feed to the people of our smart city. And number 3, in that smart city, when we move the people in, we need to provide the children of the inhabitant access to education.
Right.
So we will bring
a lot
also
more
education.
arms coming in.
Yes.
Yeah.
And when they move with their parents, then we need to provide them also access to medical services. So we are going to build also hospital.
Yeah, that sounds like a very long-term plan.
Yes.
If you could break down some of these elements, what will it take? For example, look at a 2026 viewpoint. What all will you be able to achieve this year?
This year, it depends on our Indian partner. We are ready.
Yeah.
You see that we build factory within 17 months.
Yeah.
So our ability of move fast is inborn ability.
Okay.
It's Vingroup IDN.
Yeah. So partnership is going to be very important.
Yes.
Local collaboration. So are you
Correct.
looking for more partners in other fields as well?
First, I need to get the support from the government. We sign MOU with them, but they need to execute.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's a dead paper. That's number 1. Number 2, I need also local partner for any project either it's a Vin Green project or a Vin Smart project or Smart City project, they need to act fast, same speed with us.
Yeah, talking about the automotive business, you're also looking for partners for battery manufacturing and localizing batteries here in India. What's the progress on that? How much will it help you sort of localize your product?
Every day I have a conversation with potential vendor from
Partners,
India.
yeah.
Yes, so I put them in connection with the HO in charge of direct investments or direct procurement department.
From
so they
India.
will discuss, and they will talk about the tool. They will talk about the number they are going to offer.
Yeah.
So the discussion is underway.
Okay, so you're already sort of
Already
underway.
engaged. Some of the vendor even visited our factory the day we opened it.
Nice.
Beginning of August.
Okay.
Yes.
Last August 2025.
2025.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. And what about, you're also very big on two-wheelers globally.
Yes.
So now India is another big global two-wheeler market. So how do you look at penetrating in that, especially now? We would see a lot of startups in the two-wheeler space, electric two-wheeler space earlier, but now it's been sort of like the local players like Bajaj and Hero, they are sort of building it up.
Yeah.
And how do you look at that in terms of local competition? How will you be able to penetrate that? And is 2026 that breakthrough year for you in the two-wheeler space as well?
Yes, the answer is yes. We definitely will come with two-wheeler
This year?
this year, 2026.
Okay.
Is scooters.
Okay.
And we hope that we'll be able to come also in with buses.
Yeah.
This year.
Nice.
So we have our plan. We have done our market research. And we are also in the process of developing the two scooters of Indian specialty.
Oh,
Yes.
only for the Indian market?
Only for Indian markets, yes. So, and more importantly, we have started already expanding our facility into Thoothukudi.
Right.
In order to be able to accommodate,
Okay.
yes, the production line of two-wheelers.
Okay. So this is going to be a collaborative production line for four-wheelers, two-wheelers and three-wheelers,
Yes,
or you're
yes.
expanding somewhere else
Correct.
as well?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We are expanding
Okay.
in Tamil Nadu in.
So it'll be expandable to 150,000 at this point.
That
in
is
your
for the
third,
four-wheelers.
yeah, for
Not that for the
four-wheelers,
four-wheelers, yeah.
and the separate line for two-wheelers.
Separate line for
Okay.
two-wheelers.
What
and
is the
separate line.
capacity for that?
We aim for 1 million.
Okay.
Yes, number.
Okay. This year you'll be ready with 1 million,
No,
or
no,
it's
no,
a
no.
long
I
term?
think it's a long term.
Okay,
Yes,
got
it's
it,
a long
got it.
term.
Okay.
I mean, we dream big, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
And about buses. Buses again is a very it's a low-hanging fruit when it comes to electrification.
Correct.
Because it has longer usage patterns.
Yes.
It's very different usage from four-wheelers and two-wheelers. So how do you plan to approach that segment?
We have one director of e-buses.
Yeah.
He's based here in Mumbai. So they follow closely with all the business Indian partner in order to understand it more about that.
Right.
About the demand.
Okay.
And at the same time, I'm in discussions with various state departments. I mean, state authorities in order for us to be able to participate in the bidding
Right.
for e-buses service provider.
Yeah, that reminds me, policy-wise, how helpful has the Indian government been? Like, how has your conversations been? Because you were about to sort of apply for the PME drive and other schemes as well. Even PLI is there for local manufacturing. So how? And you haven't sort of applied so far. Last time we spoke,
Correct.
you were talking
Correct.
about it. So what is the progress so far,
The progress so
policy-wise?
far that since we are going to have a new batch of investment, we need to see how we can apply. Yes, whether we are qualified or whether we are able to meet the deadline or not.
Okay.
Yes.
But you'll definitely try for the process.
Of course, we need to try for the process. Yes.
Okay, and also local manufacturing for under PLI?
Yeah, local manufacturing is a must if we want to bring down the BOM cost.
Correct.
We are very much aggressive on that. That's why we have meeting between the purchasing team and the potential Indian local suppliers.
Right. Right. Talking about passenger vehicles now, your star products at this point from the Vingroup, the first products that we saw from VinFast, you've already broken into top 5,
Yes.
which a lot of other legacy players have not been able to do for the EV segment.
Correct.
How do you plan to grow that? Because you obviously plan to grow that on the basis of your fleet service, which is what has worked in other markets as well. So what is the strategy there for the Indian
strategy
market?
is that we must maintain the 4th place in the EV OEM list.
4th place.
4th place.
Okay.
Yes. Now we are in the 4th place.
Yeah, yeah,
Since
yeah.
December 2025.
So 2026 is going to be just about that, to retain that number.
Yeah, retain that number.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's not easy. Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
Of course, we still have the big three legacy.
Yeah.
But apart from that, we have about more than dozen other OEM
Yeah.
operating in EV. They came here before us.
Yeah.
So how we need to maintain that? That is a big challenge for
Big
us.
challenge.
And
yeah.
we are determined to produce good quality car and sell good car to the right people.
Right. What has worked for you, according to you? What are some of the learnings? Because you're such a young player and you've been able to grow so fast as compared to some of the local competition.
One of the key player is that we have the assembly factory
Assembly
available.
factory. Yeah.
Some don't. Some OEM don't. They import CBU. Number 2, we have successfully selected the right target group.
Right. Target group.
And number 3, with the target group, we come up with the appropriate price. I mean, some say that is a killing price. And finally, we have very good network of sales and network of after sales to make sure that if there's any complaint, we will be able to address it immediately.
Yeah. So more products coming in. We have an MPV on the cards. We have a smaller, almost like an hatchback coming in. So what is the product strategy going to be?
The product strategy for us, as I have repeatedly saying, that we will launch one model every 6 months. Yeah. So you will see that there is the whole lineup will be coming into India.
Yeah.
But we don't come in one go. We come in 6 months. So we give you time to appreciate, to absorb, and we give you another menu.
Yeah. So that's how the whole ecosystem play that you're going to talk about. Another thing, that globally the ride-hailing backup has been very successful for you. Here in India, we have seen the ride-hailing segment as well struggling. There have been a lot of ecosystem complaints, and so that is going to be very difficult to break into.
Yeah, I think that is it's challenging, but we are determined to go into it because VinFast, we move fast. If you are not fast enough, you are disqualified.
Right.
Number 1. Number 2, we like challenge, and for us, we believe that with the luggage of our experience and our financial capability, we will be able to address any challenge that may come during the way.
Right. So to summarize, the focus this year is going to be on building on your 4-wheeler presence, getting in 2-wheelers, buses, ride-hailing ecosystem, lots on your plate already.
Yes. and smart city.
Yes, smart city. So a lot of ecosystem plays going to happen, plus the charging.
We are the only OEM who is doing that.
Right. It's a very ambitious project. All the best for that. Thank you so much for spending time with us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you next year,
Yes,
same time.
You're going to keep us very busy.
Of course. Thank you.